Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the DJI Mic Mini 2-person compact wireless microphone system for camera and smartphone, 2.4 GHz, lightweight and budget-friendly wireless microphone. Designed for both mobile and camera setups.
Said I made up my mind this time. I'm taking it over. Modest tranquility. Said I made up my mind this time. I'm taking it over.
In this video, I will cover what's included, its key feature, and how to set it up, and help you to decide this mic is right for you or not. The Mic Mini available in multiple kits. The version I am reviewing includes 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and charging hub, and the USB-C adapter. It comes with a pouch, the USB-C charger cable, 3.5mm audio jack for white noise muff, and this 3.5mm audio jack can be fixed in this case too. You can see the connector right there and the connector in the box. That is for charging, and the same for the transmitter. This is charging case and also a box used to store the 2 transmitter, 1 receiver, and 1 USB-C adapter. Everything fits directly inside the case, making it extremely convenient for creator on the go. Each transmitter weighs only 10 grams. It's very light. It's making it nearly unnoticeable when clipped on the cloth. And it also comes with a magnetic clip. You can use this clip to clip on the cloth, or also the magnetic. Compared to the DJI Mic 2, the Mini is about half size and far more compatible for long sessions. Package included warm-up effectively to reduce white noise. And this one can easy to attack or detach from the wireless microphone. And after you finish each job, you just put everything in the box. Connect the box to the USB-C cable, and this side connect to the power adapter so you can charge both transmitter and one receiver. The receiver is equally compact and include physical gain dial for quick level adjustment, a 3.5mm audio output for cameras, and USB-C for phone, camera, and charging. Setup is fast and automatic. Just remove the unit from the case. The power of the transmitter and the power of the receiver automatic turn on. Two line right here is for the transmitter 1 and transmitter 2. This one is already connected and active, and this line is for power. Now look at the receiver. You can find a clip. This one is the side that fits to the zoom mount of a camera. On this side, you will find a power button. This one you to turn on and turn off the transmitter. Absolutely, whenever you remove it out from the box, it automatically turn on. And if you put both transmitter into the box, you will not see the line number 1 and line number 2 on because it's automatic up. Once you take the transmitter out from the box, the light will on. This one is a number 2, so the light number 2 will on. That means it will connect the transmitter number 2 to the receiver. You can see the receiver that is very, very small, and the transmitter is also small. I think it's just same at a quarter. On same side of the power button, you also find the dial. This dial due to gain the audio or reduce the audio. This one is 0, that means it's not gain. If turn to -6, that means it reduce to 6. -12, reduce 12. Turn back to 0 and turn to +6 or +12 to gain the audio. That means same as the volume. At the bottom side, you will find one USB-C cable due to jack the receiver or connect to the camera. And in the middle right here, if we remove the cover, you will find 6 connector. This one due to attack the USB-C adapter. This also have 4 connector at the bottom, and it will jack the receiver. And this is the USB-C adapter. It's due to attack to the middle, have 6 connector right here. You can find the arrow, and the red arrow right here, that is go to this direction. Now when it have the sound click, you can attack to the phone or to the USB-C of the camera. This one is Sony A1 Mark II. It have the USB-C right here, and if I connect the USB-C of the receiver to the camera and turn this on, now I will test the camera. As you can see, the audio indicator or the level moving. That means it receives the audio from this microphone. If you don't want to use the USB-C or your camera doesn't work with the USB-C, you can clip the receiver to the shoe mount and connect it with using the 3.5mm. And now check 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the audio level is moving. That means it's also receive the audio signal from the microphone. Look at this side, you can find the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. This one due to connected to the camera or the phone. On the transmitter, you also find a power button, a charging connector that is connected to the hub to check the transmitter. When you take out the receiver from the box, if the power is not on, use this button to turn it on, or you can also turn it off by this button. The DJI Mic Mini offers multiple recording modes, including mono, stereo, and safety track. It also includes built-in two-level noise cancellation, an automatic limiter to prevent clipping, and direct compatible with DJI OSMO action and pocket cameras. No receiver required. The wireless range is impressive. It is up to 1,200 feet, providing stable audio at that distances. Now we are talking about the noise cancellation feature. It is simply press the power button on the transmitter, and you will see a yellow light on. That means the canceling feature on or active. And of course, you can turn this feature on in the DJI Mini microphone app. Once you turn this on, it will reduce the wow noise and clipping. And now I will replay my current Sony wireless lavalier microphone system with the DJI Mini microphone system. And here is my Sony GRX-P03 system. It is working very good. It comes with a receiver, a GTX B03 integrated digital wireless body park transmitter with the lavalier microphone, and wireless plug-on transmitter. This says it's very good for reviewing, but I got a problem with body park transmitter. As a reviewer, I may sit down and stand up multiple times, so my body will push the body park out of my belt, and it fall down many times, so I decided to get the DJI Mini microphones, as it should clip on my shirt without the body park, and with a good deal at this point. In terms of pricing, the full two transmitter kits retail around $170, but at the Black Friday of 2025, it is only $80, saving $90. The single transmitter and receiver kit is about $89, but at the Black Friday of 2025, it is only $45. You saving $44. For the price, performance, and versatile, the DJI Mic Mini offers outstanding value. Click the link in the description to get one at low price at this point for yourself. And you will never get upset about this system. It provides excellent sound quality. With a small box, it's easy to carry with you on location. Overall, the DJI Mic Mini delivers excellent audio quality, long battery life, simple operation, and true portability. It's a great option for creators who want reliable wireless audio without sending a fortune. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly tech reviews. Thanks a lot for watching, and thanks a lot for support my channel. See you in the next video.